Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Chefsofi's Mortar and Pestle set. So if you don't know what a Mortar and a Pestle set is, it looks like this. I call it a grinder. Been calling it for years. But I had one of these before and I went to somebody's house. I probably made some guacamole or something. And you can use this to make all different kinds of quick meals like guacamole. I use it for papaya seeds. I use it for different things. If I don't want to put it in the blender, I just use this. This thing is real affordable. It grinds seeds, nuts, plant roots. It crushes different type of spices, herbs. It gives it that it releases all the natural purities out of everything, anything that you use this with. This is something, y'all, if y'all don't get y'all one of these, this is a thumbnail right here. This is really nice to have. This video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own coins. They ain't paying me nothing to tell y'all, but again, this is my second purchase because mine's at somebody's house. I'm gonna go over the house and I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna see it and I'm gonna know it's mine because I know they ain't bought it. But anywho, so let's open it up and see. Does have it before you use brand new Mortar and Pestle for the first time, what to do. Of course, you may have to clean it and all that stuff. It'll tell you that. Make sure you read any instructions that come with anything you buy new. So, it shows you that. See, you getting tagged and once you finish doing your first one. That's pretty cool. You have this one. It's probably a stopper or something, some sort. And then you get a 20% discount off of anything else you purchase with them. But yeah, this is what's up. I'm putting y'all on some game right here. This game right here. Y'all went up on this. I put y'all up on this. And so, all you do, this is what you grind, where you will put whatever it is and you just grind it. But, yeah, this is the truth right here, y'all. It don't come with any instructions. The Mortar doesn't come with any instruction. This is when we're going to need to use our common sense. God gave us, because he gave us all common sense. Unfortunately, some of us don't use our common sense, but he gave them to us. I know he did. But it just pretty much tells you about the product description, right? And then it shows you the different foods and spices and everything that you can grind right here. And then it has, step into the kitchen with a renewed air of confidence in your cooking abilities. Armed with our Mortar and Pestle, you can now grind any seeds, like I said, seeds and nuts, plant roots, perfect for home for salads, dips, seasonings, condimented recipes. Combine, you combine stuff in it like whatever you want. Anything I make for my guacamole, I combine it all in here and crush it up. But yeah, and it's you get 2 cups of anything that you do. So if you have a lot, you could just grind up a little, grind up a little. But yeah, y'all went up on this. Your girl put y'all up on this. This is some real high tech right here. This is when you know you done graduated right here. You know what I'm saying? You done graduated. I guess I'll put this. This is heavy now. This ain't for your kids to be trying to, hey, John, bring me that Mortar in there. Now, John gonna drop this because this is heavy. Okay, you're gonna have to eat your Wheaties. But this is just gonna sit in my kitchen because that's what it do. I'm gonna clean it real good, leave it out to air dry, and it's going to dry. And anytime you clean something like this, you just let it air dry. I mean, it's easy to wash. It's, you know, I don't even know if you put this in the washer. Yeah, this is an anti-stretch pad. So yeah, put it at the bottom. This will go at the bottom. When I sit it down over there, I put this at the bottom so it won't scratch up my granite that's over there already. But let me see. No slip, no mess. Foolproof grip. This right here. This you're not gonna drop this, okay? This pestle you ain't gonna drop it. I promise you, because this got a little weight on it. I'm just saying it's kind of heavy. But yeah, I just put y'all up. Y'all wasn't up on this. Y'all was not up on this. I just hooked y'all up. Get you one. I will leave the link in the description box for you guys for this product. You can purchase it from Amazon. Let me know if you purchase it and let me know how it worked for you. These are great gifts. Like, sis, get your friend a Mortar. She ain't even up on it, especially if you got friends that like to cook. They will love this item because you can't go wrong. It's fancy. It's just sitting there. People gonna be like, oh, what is this? You know, because usually you don't see that this in nobody's kitchen. But sis, I just put y'all up on game. I'm just saying. Y'all wasn't up on that. Y'all wasn't up on that. But remember now, it is heavy. Make sure you put everything back up in there. But it is heavy. And make sure you don't have John in them, one of the kids. Make sure you don't have one of the kids, John in them, bringing that to you. Because John gonna drop that on his feet. And it might hurt because I don't want to hurt it with my feet. I'm just saying. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. I still am participating in beta this year in April, and I'm going to be spitting them out every day, y'all. I got some amazing products coming up that I'm going to be doing unboxing. Some of it is tech stuff. I usually don't do tech stuff, but I think you guys should know about these things. If you are a coming entrepreneur or just somebody that wants to do YouTube videos, if you're doing any videos on YouTube, TikTok, any of that, I got some more stuff coming up. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.